Hello and welcome to this Tuts Plus screencast course on building a complete web application with Meteor. Meteor is a really neat JavaScript framework that allows you to work with JavaScript both on the front end and the back end. You can think of it like a heavily customized version of Node.js. In fact, it is built on top of Node.js, but it abstracts all of the details of Node away and gives you a framework that is specifically for making really good web applications. At the time I'm recording these screencasts, the Meteor is at preview 0.8.0.1. That's the latest version. Now, it's possible that later versions have come out since I'm recording this, but most of Meteor is very stable, and almost everything that we're going to cover in this screencast series is going to work in future versions of Meteor. Now, if you've never worked with Meteor before, this really isn't the place to start. I'm going to expect you to understand the basics of how Meteor works, what some of the reasoning behind the way it's set up is, and that type of thing. Now, if you haven't worked with Meteor at all before, I'm going to suggest you check out another Tuts Plus course I did a while ago called Single Page Web Apps with Meteor. And this course goes into all the basics of Meteor and explains all the principles and concepts, how to set up an application, how to use templates, how to use data securely in your Meteor applications, and then covers a whole bunch of other stuff here at the end. And while some of that may be a little bit out of date, given that I recorded this over a year ago from the time I'm recording this screencast series, and so probably even more from the time you're watching it, a lot of the core concepts that I discuss in this course are still very accurate. So if you haven't looked at Meteor before, start with that course before you watch this one.